add a little bit white. Just like that, very easy. Okay?
White lang ka.
White.
There's no other focus on this. Just blue and white and water.
Blue.
Yes.
Blue,
Please
white.
kindly use the broad brush, not the large.
Blue, white, and water.
You can get my white.
Ah, wala siya white. Wala siya white. Very good lang ga.
So, just that easy, no? Very easy.
Ipot na.
Just white, blue, and water, okay?
Water.
Okay. Now,
White, blue, and
I'll tell
water.
you about our subject, no? Our subject means our painting. I'm going to make like summertime in Japan, no? But it will be like in the province, no? So you will not see some sakura. Maybe it's open, okay? So as you can see there in your
Sit down,
canvas, no? Make a V like this, okay? V, something like that.
V.
Okay, just a V.
Very good lang
Okay?
ga. V.
From
Letter
edge
V.
here and edge here, okay? Because we will put some pine trees there. And we're going to use vanishing point, it means perspective. Okay, just make a V first. And then just paint it, no? Just paint it like that. Do not forget the sides, okay? Do not forget the sides. And do not forget our first basic technique on acrylic. Dip and mix, okay? Dip and mix because it will help you. Okay, just do it like this. Left, right, just like that.
Left, right lang ga.
No? Very easy.
Left, right, left, right.
Actually, some of you can do this like blindfolded.
Blue, white, then water.
Okay, just like that, no? Very easy.
Love.
No? Please do the brush strokes the same, okay? If you started with left, right,
Water.
you need to finish it with
Okay.
that stroke, no?
White. Mix. Left, right. Anak lab. Anak, very good.
Bali-bali, pwede na
Bali-bali,
bali-bali. Ana lang ba? Kana, bali na pod. Kana.
Kuha na po diri.
Kuha na pod. Water, una lagi water.
Muna.
Mana?
And by
Ang
the
blue
way,
lab.
while you're still doing that, I just want to announce and make a thank you, no, for Sugoi Ramen and Cafe because they are
Blue.
sponsoring this
Blue.
event.
What pa na ko?
And if you want some drinks, if you want some really hot, crispy French fries, they also have that. So you can eat while you paint, okay? There's no problem. You can eat while you paint, or you can order.
Very good.
Okay?
Anak lab.
So,
Water.
yes.
Okay.
Okay, dip and
Water.
mix. Okay, dip again. Dip,
Dip,
mix.
mix.
Ana lang ga. Sunda siya lang ga.
Na, dip.
Because if the paint is thin, it's easy to it's easy to handle.
Ana, dili siya gahit ba. Sige lang ga. Kana pra. Maglisod mo.
And
Sige.
guys, there's
Okay,
a
love.
routine
Go,
for me.
love.
No?
Sige lang ga. Good lang.
Try to hold your brush at the end. Okay,
Tanawa
there's
lang
a
ka, oh.
purpose
Love.
to that,
Eh,
no?
tanawa lang ga. Tumoy. Sige.
Because if you hold it on the end part, you can control it well. Okay?
Okay.
Good lang ga.
Sige,
Laban,
very good.
laban.
Walhon.
Balon, di gini.
Sige, go. Very
Iwat silingan
good.
utaan eh.
Left, right. Pareha na ato ganina.
Ay,
Okay.
panandog ka, sir. Bati ng ka, sir. Kanay mo hamin nindot.
Na, very good.
Ay, nabalik ka. So,
Just chill lang guys. Don't forget the upper part.
Very good. Deep. Sige. Add pa. Sige, add more paint. Paint. Blue and white. Sige, put din ha. Blue, then white. Isa na lang, white. Sige. Then water. Water. Water, go. Okay. Mix. Mix. Okay. Sige. Left, right, left, right.
Okay, next.
Ito yung diri gamay lab.
Next is
Pilaras mo pa mo.
white. Okay, white and a little bit yellow. Okay, because we want
White.
to have that
Sige, kaput og white. Sige.
sunrise effect, no?
Okay.
Glowing. Okay,
Yellow.
just get white. You don't have to wash your brush, huh? I know there's a blue there. That is intentional. Okay, just take the white, no? Take the white. Get a little bit yellow,
Okay na lab.
no?
Daghan ng
I know
white.
it will be a little bit greenish, no?
Yellow lang ba? Butang yellow.
Like
Mana, mana
creamy
Ito
greenish.
si Gia.
And I intended that, no? To
Tia.
happen. Because we
Nama
want to
kadili,
have a
uy.
very soft sky.
Mix up, mix. Water, water.
Do not
Water.
forget the unmixed
Water.
guys.
Sige pa.
Okay?
Hey, water pa. Mix. Na. Sige pa.
Now, what you need to do is, this is called wet on wet, okay? So, while our glue is still wet, we need to cover it with this color, this white with yellow, okay? Okay. And,
Left, right
I
lang.
will tell you why.
Na.
no?
Very good.
Because, as
Ana.
I said, okay, now we're going to use what the masters use, okay? This is a little bit like olive, right?
Yeah.
Olive green.
Green. Sige, mix pa.
Okay? Always do not forget, even mix always. It is very useful. Make it your friend.
Okay na. Ana. Okay na.
I-mix yun.
Now I want you to put it here.
Sige, watch. Mix naman na.
Put it here.
Okay na.
I want you to make something like a zigzag, no? It's preparation for things to happen in our canvas. Okay? I want you to
Abot
make,
sa ubos.
Abot sa basta.
okay? Just
Abot sa ubos
Dili ba?
lang.
Pinaanan mo.
Triangles,
Anak.
no?
Taas. Ano?
triangles. Zigzag, no?
Iabot na ng orange
Zigzag
lang nga
like
badlis.
this, no?
Iabot sa orange. Pinag taas.
Just
Taas.
like that.
Anak ba? Tagpas.
Okay?
Na. Down pa. Down.
Na. Puto ba sa orange?
Down po. Sige. Ana ang pagkuha ni mo lang ka ana. Oras kay dumuliyo ba ana ana. Down up down up.
Forget the sides of the
No, up down. Up. Iyan na pa din mo lang ka ana. Ana.
Mix lab, mix.
Do not forget the water, okay?
Water,
forget the
then mix,
water.
Mix,
mix.
mix. Kapila na yung sa kakamati mo. Guniti
It
po.
will make your life
Gunit.
very
Ana.
easy.
Kana.
Yo,
Ko na. Sige, water na po.
okay na.
You don't have to
Mix
wash
ang
your brush,
dito.
no?
Mix it.
Just dip it once and
Mix.
then
Water,
mix
water.
and then dip again.
Oh, ah.
Skillet, kana, 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 kana.
Until Tapo
you
na.
can
Ah.
you have your
Isagol na.
desired fitness.
Okay, very good.
When using black, try
Okay.
to not use too much because I know black is very strong.
You put more leather, use this one because it's dark like that. You mix it with water.
Up down lang. Okay, okay na. Na.
Ano di ka na mo ha?
Sige, put pa.
Gamay. Ano ba? Make the side higher. Higher.
Okay? Please include this part here, okay?
Sige. Dali pa, oh. Ano pa mo na, oh.
Add more of that then. Make it higher. Up. Gahi asa na ka
Gahi na mo guna siya. Dapat smooth siya. Ba't hindi sa water lagi? Water niya na. Gahi ka inang yung mga. Water niya. Yun sa gusto.
Mix.
Daghan ang water. Gana. Kana.
Later.
Oo, mga yun. Katong diri ba? Mawa na to yung ako.
Always include the sides.
Ana, side. Ana.
Okay, just like that. There
Sige,
is.
very good.
Okay?
Ituslo ba? Ituslo na siya para dili siya
Sige.
makuan, para mawet ba?
Slow.
Mawet. Ituslo siya naman. Gamay ra gud, ituslo na siya gamay. Ano ko
Or
Okay, nya colorin na. Ana.
very
Ana. Tuslo diri kuha ko man na. Eh palabi meter. Okay. Okay. Color. Okay. Sige, ana. Very good. Na left right.
always remember
Left,
whatever
right.
you do. If you're doing abstract painting, if you're doing landscape painting, always
Okay na na. Ayun na nagpagkuhan niya.
more layers.
Side by side. Na. Left, right, left,
More
right.
layers.
Yeah. Left, right.
Do not
Okay, left,
settle
right lang.
in one layer only.
Okay na. Ay, palabi.
You must add.
Sige.
Okay, so just like that.
Ayun,
no?
lagi left, right sana.
We're almost done on our back painting. Remember, this is only back painting, guys. So don't sweat it out. No? Do not overthink. This is only back painting. But of course, the back painting colors must be right.
Tangi diri love.
Okay? Because what if I will put blue and green? Blue and yellow on our trees. It's wrong. Automatically, it's wrong.
Dito na po.
Because
Dito na po.
blue
Uy.
and yellow, kind of green, these are summer, middle of the day
Sige.
colors. Okay? And that is not
What,
what we
dire?
want. We want a
Napakiblag.
landscape that is chill, cold, and the sun is slowly coming up. Okay,
Sige.
we want
Ana,
that.
badlis. Ana.
Because if you want normal painting, for example,
Ana, very good. Sige.
that's a painting that you can do in the house, right? So we
Okay.
need a little bit advanced. That's why you're here. You're here to learn advanced painting in a very, very, very
Sige.
easy way.
Very good. Okay, one more.
All you need to do is just observe and listen. I think that is
More.
Next step is very, very, very important step, and I want you to listen carefully, but I want you to finish that one first. And if you still have that glue that you're using right now, do not throw it away. Do not mess with it because we will be using that one. Because what we will do next is very important. And this should not be missed. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to
Sige.
prepare for the glue. I mean to finish that one right now. You don't want to see the white hand. You don't want to see the white hand.
Sige.
Your black is a little bit actually to do is big. And then get another blue. This is overwhelming. Water. Do not put more blue, more water.
Water lab.
Just more water.
Okay, water.
More water.
Put.
You don't have to get blue.
Sige, water pa. Water. Okay. Okay, put.
You don't have to get blue.
Sige.
Just more water.
More water.
More water.
Sige, more water.
Okay? More water. Not more,
More
blue.
water. Water.
Just more water. Okay? Now this is called wash effect. Okay? Everybody ready? More water, not more blue.
Water.
Okay, I want it here. Okay? Not listen guys, don't do anything here. Okay, I just want it here. Okay? Around. See, just like that. Huh? This is called wash effect. Okay, more
Tanaw sa
water.
princess.
Okay? See? Just like that. Wash effect.
Just add more water. No, more water.
Add more water. Add more water. Like this. Okay? Just like that. Add more water. Okay? This is called wash
Hinay
effect,
lang,
guys.
hinay. Sige, anak,
Wash
anak.
effect. See?
Okay, daghan na.
My brush is almost dripping. Huh? It's almost
Daghan na.
dripping.
Daghan na.
See?
Daghan na.
Tanaw sa princess. Tanaw sa. Tanaw
It's
sa.
like doing a watercolor. This is very useful in acrylic and watercolor. See? More water, not more blue. Just add water. Do not add color. Nice. Okay. Add water. Add more water. Okay. Okay. There you go. Okay. Okay. See? See? Nice. Very good. Okay. Nice. Nice. You don't need to do that. It's okay. You just leave it because we will cover it anyway.
Okay na lang.
See? Like that. We want to dark.
Okay.
Okay, just like that. Why fuzzy tree inside? Because
Punta mo dali.
we want the viewer to see a tree, but we want them not to focus on it. Okay? If you want
Sige.
something in your painting and you want the viewer to focus on it, then make a detail. But this time, this part,
Ito. Okay, okay na ay pala big one. Nipis na pag kaayo.
okay, just
Okay
like
na,
that,
okay
no
na.
fuzzy tree.
Okay.
I want fuzzy, not fuzzy, like
Dili, dili.
fuzzy.
Okay.
Make it like almost dry. No?
Okay. Pili dia. Sige.
Nilakay naman ka. Pagkarong lang nilakay.
Ay, kayo butangin.
And then you touch that.
Oh, wow. Sakto na. Sige.
And you make it more natural. You're not done yet, This is only background painting.
Okay. Circle, circle.
We need to do
Anak,
more.
very good.
We need to do more. So, guys, I want you to be faster. And I want you to follow and observe, of course.
Sige.
How are you?
Sige, curve, curve. Na, pili ka. Pili ka dito. Ano? Abuse. Sige. Okay, stop. Sige. Curve, curve. Na. Sumpay diri. Na. Curve, curve. Curve gani. Okay. Curve.
Next, we're slowly building our sky. And we will add some horse clouds, a little bit, but not with oil. And it's very expensive. For example, the lapis lazuli blue,
Lab.
not this kind of blue.
Side lab.
They need to get it from Turkey. And there was no airplane before. There's no ship. It was, there's a ship, but the slow ship like Magellan, no?
Sige, finish it.
Get yellow and white. Yellow and white. Do not put water. I want this
Yellow.
to be
Gamay ra man na daghan na.
thicker.
More.
Remember always,
More yellow.
highlights are thicker.
Sige. Sige.
Especially then after no? Okay.
White.
I want
White.
to put it somewhere here.
Sige, mix.
But just an impression of the sun.
Yellow rin ulit, yellow.
No? Just an impression.
Small amount na lang.
See, just like that, no?
Sige.
Burabag, it's like
Left, right, left,
shadows
right.
coming from the clouds.
Left, right ra. Pagi
That
ako.
same
Na,
color.
sige.
Just use the same color.
Left, right na.
Do like this. Violet.
Just like that, no? Because we want to achievement ng sun, bago lang sinigawas ba?
Sige, ana. Scatter pa, scatter na. Sige, go. Scattered pa.
Our second session,
Do this. Do like this.
not
Sige, go.
necessarily junta na,
Do that like that.
we don't need
Sige,
to
scattered.
mix
Kana,
large
kana,
amount of
kana.
paint, no? Because
This,
most of our second session are highlights.
Very good. Nice one.
No? Just touching na lang siya.
Butang diha takit. Na, ana, sige. Na. Dali na po na side. Dini. Dini na side. Ana, bagi nang may. Kuha po. Gamay lang. Gamay lang.
Check.
Diri na side. Butang niya diha na side.
Now, some of the color also, no?
Na.
This color, the color of the hat,
Guide na ko siya, pero siya yung nag-uay. Siya lang. Ligo.
okay? And that is the hardest part that we will do. The house is hard. If there's a man, it's hard. here. We want to make some flowers here, no? And this part also. Flowers.
Cut love.
Okay? So I want you to do it like that, huh? Just tapping, no?
Tap. Sige, go.
Okay?
Tap.
Just do it like that. But do not do all, okay? Just color, color, and there.
Tap lang, tap. Na.
Tapping technique is very useful.
Very good.
Especially when you make bushes or group of flowers. It's very useful. And I'm using this like since 1990s.
Get more. More lang. More paint.
And the masters are using this like 1,000 years
tap.
years ago. Just like that.
Idugol.
Make your strokes
O, sagdali
bold,
lang.
no?
Okay na na. Sagdali lang. Okay, it's okay.
And just
Okay. Tap.
Make it go. Do not make them enemies, make them like friends, just like that, no?
Okay, tap.
Okay, just like that. You don't have to do everything because we will put another color in there.
Okay. More.
Remember, this part here is the
Make more paint.
foreground, no? Foreground means the closest to you. So, the closest to you is the most detailed, okay? It's the most detailed of all parts. Just like that, no? We don't need to do more. But we need to add more colors. Okay, so what I will do, I did not wash my brush. I just get small white and mix it. I just mix it with the mix that I already have, which is the blue and white.
Add more white lang.
And then, if you need to add
Sige,
water, you
white.
can do.
Sige, more
Okay,
white.
but do not add too
More
much
white.
water, because we will not need water now. Now,
More white.
I will just do another one
Add
here,
more white.
okay, to support as a shadow of the blue. Okay, just like that. Again, I don't want to put.
Sige, more.
Okay. Here, especially here, the leaves, they are thinner, so
Ano
more
na?
light will penetrate. Right? Especially here, no? But on the sides, that's almost solid na purple.
Ano din ha? So, bayo ha? Ayo, anak. Anak na.
This
Okay.
tells us that the
More.
light
Anak, very
source
good.
is here. No? And it penetrated the tree. Okay? Just like that. Okay, I need to add more.
Gilab, at
You don't have paint on the brush. Okay.
na. Anak sa ubos. Very good. Ubos.
Okay? After that, you need to clean your... Closer, closer.
Go lang ka.
Okay. First, I want you to make a straight line from top to bottom. Okay. Can you repeat what I said? What I said? Use my brush. Use this one. Okay. Make a straight line. Okay. Make a straight line. Make a straight line. Make a straight line. Huh? Make a straight line. Okay? This is my painting. I want you to not to mess up my painting, huh? Okay. I just want you to make a straight line and then it goes down. Well, it's very easy, okay? So, straight line. Then zigzag, okay? Zigzag. See, it's like a zigzag. Just like that. It's very black. Don't worry. Put paint first. So just like that. Okay, you want to use that?
Straight.
Straight. Zigzag. Try to make your brush like this sideways. And try to do like this. You need to add more water on your thing, okay? Use this one. Use the lower part side. Like that, but you must make it sideways, okay? Just like that, sideways. Yeah? Okay, add more water to use brush.
Dong ubos
More
lab.
highlights needed here.
More. Okay.
Making flowers here. I think 5 strokes.
Okay. More.
Then, of course, we need something red. I don't mind to wash my brush at this time. No, I just get a red and then add it to the white that I used, and that's it.
Add red. Gamay lang.
Okay, it's mixed.
Sige, okay, add. Mix.
Don't
Mix.
have red.
Oh,
Yeah,
sige. Mix at tarong.
maybe something like that. No?
Okay. Sige, mix.
It doesn't have to be like perfect flower, no, because it's sideways.
Sige.
No? You can make
Gamay
just
lang.
use your brush to
Okay.
make something
Sige.
like what I'm
Ana,
doing
idool-dool ha. Dool nga marang flower ba?
here. It's just red and then white.
Dool.
And
Dikit.
something
Pare ato ba? Oh, dikit. Oh. Okay.
and maybe some
Flower.
saan ka mo add or nagyara na ka. Dito mag-add Can you erase this red? And do some flowers here.
Sige, go. Pun pa. Hatot dito spikas.
Square.
Sige.
Okay, try to make it more organic, so like leaves this here.
Yan ang mura siya leaves lang ga.
Kaniman asa to? Asa kuloan ni galit? Asa kuloan ni galit?
Get more lang ga. More color lang ga.
Sa color ganin niya.
Kuan. Blue, gamay lang nga blue, gamay nga red, and then more white. Kira, blue, red.
We don't need over.
Blue, red, and white.
Blue, red, and white. Gamay lang ang blue, ang daghan ang white. Okay lang ga. Get more color lang ga.
As you can see, it's much better than mine.
Tara.
This looks like Sakura.
Sakura, yes.
Sakura. Sige, more.
And there's one more thing. Thank you very much for coming, guys. And keep painting, yeah? It has so many benefits here.